Welcome to Carooga. If you're here, you love online shopping as much as we do. Just like every other online purchase, the process starts by creating an account. Locate the sign in button either in the top right corner on desktop or expand the hamburger menu on mobile. If you've signed in before, simply enter your email and password, or you can choose to sign in through your Facebook and Google logins if you have those saved to your device. Don't have an account yet? Click the Create Account button. Here we ask some basic questions so we know who will actually be buying the vehicle. Add your favorite unhackable password and choose Create My Account. Again, you can use your Facebook or Google logins if it's easier. Once signed in, you get access to a bunch of fun stuff. My Garage is where the magic happens. Once you find a car to fall in love with, we'll update you here every step of the way. And it's also where we store your favorites. Click that part on any ride and we save them here for quick reference. Your account is also where we track my purchases, detailing the last vehicle you bought from us. My offers, which are any sell or trade valuations submitted for your current ride. My documents, a file upload area for required paperwork such as your driver's license. And lastly, personal details where you can update any personal information you provided earlier or change your password faster than your exit on your shared Netflix account. Fun fact, unlike other dealerships, we'll never hound you for your contact information. Though you may miss out on some sweet website features without it, you can wait to create your account up until the final buzzer when you check out online for your new wheels. Just be sure to let our Carooga customer guides know if there's any other way we can help. Happy shopping!